Thanks for tuning in to the second Popcorn PD. I wanted to spend a real quick minute here showing everyone how to make sure that software or apps that you're looking to use with your students are okay. The reason that this is important is because if you are having students use software that hasn't been approved or apps that aren't okay to use, then you might be actually getting your student information or sensitive information out to third parties, which can then be used to either hack into accounts or cause other issues even within the county because all of them are part of our county system. So when you are checking to see if something is okay to use, you're going to go to the start page and there's a menu on the left here that says approved software and apps. You're going to click on that to see if you can use the software or application. So this will take a second to load, but you will see a spreadsheet here that gives a list alphabetically of all these different things that have already been vetted for students to use. Now, you'll see on here that by the majority of these are yes all the way across. And if that's the case, then it's okay to use. But some of them might say no or might say give you some permissions. You're going to want to look at these carefully so that you know that your software is okay to use or what the dangers are for using it. That's what the sum is. And if it says no, that means you don't want to use it, especially those that say no all the way across. That means that it could definitely collect student data and can or will share that out, and it could put our county at risk. So you want to make sure that you're checking this list before you use anything. Now, if something isn't on this list, you don't want to use it until we can vet it. So to make a request for us to look at it, you're going to click on this blue button here that says software app approval form. That'll bring you to a Google form. You're going to fill in all this pertinent information. And when you press submit, it'll come to the ITRTs and we will review it. Now, before you even fill that out, there is an infographic here to kind of guide you as to whether you should or should not fill it out. But if it is something that you think could be used, it just needs approval for us to look at it. Go ahead and fill out this form and click submit, and we'll let you know as soon as we can whether you can use it or not.